Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Beulah Olarinde, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a question that I was asked. It says, can Nigerian freelancers really make money on Upwork? So I'm going to be sharing with us what I feel about this question. I am a freelancer and I work on Upwork, and I've made money on Upwork, even though it's a little money. So I can say that yes, from my own perspective. But also I would like us to check Upwork itself to see if they are really Nigerians and not Nigerians that are appearing as foreigners, but Nigerians that appear as Nigerians. Their profile is a Nigerian profile. Their names are Nigerian names. What I'm about to do, I'd like you to also try it out. Upwork. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is that I'm going to search for Nigerian freelancers and see if you are going to get anything from that search. So I'm going to search for talents. I'm just going to type Nigeria. Let's see if it's going to bring out any results. So I searched for Nigeria and I can see this Kumbi A. Kumbi is in a Yoruba name. Kumbi A. You see, $40 per hour. 100K dollars. Look at that. I just want us to check to actually see that yes, Nigerians make money on Upwork, and these people are actually top Upwork freelancers, and they are Nigerians. Now I'm going to check writers on Upwork. So for example, now if I want to start as a freelancer on Upwork and I want to be a writer, I can come here to actually check. Look at this person. Look at how much these people are earning on Upwork, and they are Nigerians. Just check. Look at it. These are all the categories. You can pick anyone. This is admin support, and can you see data entry analyst, transcriptionist. See how much these people are earning. Look at the name. Look at, they are Nigerians. Yeah, they are Nigerians. Look at how much they are earning. Just look at it. It's $200+. Wow. Can you see that they are Nigerians on Upwork and they are making money? They don't appear as foreigners. They use their normal names. They use their normal pictures. I believe that with this viewpoint of mine, I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that you as a Nigerian can earn a living on Upwork as a Nigerian without hiding your identity. I know people that have resigned their 9 to 5 jobs because they work on Upwork and they earn money from Upwork. Okay, so please, if you like this video, let me know, like it, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.